My homework for Northern Hemisphere 2018 Specialist Maths exam, question number 1. Question 4, we had some pretty awful numbers. So what have we got? We know that this is my confidence interval. Now the thing about this is all standard deviations was 21. Use an integer multiple for the standard deviations in calculations. So Z equals 2 for a 95% confidence interval, not 1.96. So calculate the mean. So the mean's going to be dead middle, which was 48.2, and calculate the size of this random sample. Well, I know that using my formula that this will be the confidence interval, where I'm going to use 2 for Z, 21 for S, and I'm solving for N. So I'm going to use my upper limit. 51.7 will equal 48.2 plus 2 times 21 on root N. 7 on 2 equals 21 on root N. If I flip that around, I've got 2 on 7 equals root N on 21. If I move my 21 up over there, I get 12 equals root N, N equals 144. Much nicer answers if you use 2 for Z, not 1.96. And then lastly, if I'm now going to have 1 either side of my sample mean, then I'm going to have 1 equals 2, 21 on root N, because my plus or minus will be 1 either side of my sample mean. So therefore the margin of error, which is the bit that we plus or minus on either side, is going to be equal to 1. So if that's the case, I'm going to have root N will equal 42, therefore N equals 42 squared, and 42 times 42, 4, 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, so 1764 is going to be my value of N.